AI Flow is a platform for creating custom AI tools using a simple drag and drop interface. It allows you to run AI workflows in the app or integrate them into your projects. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So this platform here called AI Flow allows you to do just that, incorporate AI into particular workflows. And we're going to dive right into it here. So we can see some of the latest features they've added. They've added a light theme, they've added a DeepSeek node, which is quite useful. You can actually learn how to use the platform as well, which is pretty cool. You can create some loops, and you can also use some pre-existing AI platforms like Stability. I think you can use Flux as well, and Stable Diffusion. Also, you can create image variations. So yeah, there's quite a lot you can do here. I'm gonna go into the Flow templates and see what we've got. So you can also create videos, and you can edit images, you can use edge-guided image creation. So there's quite a lot you can do here on this platform. It's definitely worth exploring. So they've got a credit system which allows you to generate based off of however many credits you have. They've also got a face swap engine. As you can see here, this is Elon Musk in an Iron Man costume. And you can also upscale images, which is really useful. I always upscale my thumbnails for these YouTube videos, for example. And you can also remove image backgrounds, but the best part is you can combine all of these to actually get an automated workflow going, so you don't have to go and keep moving between platforms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a workflow using Flux, and I can actually select the prompt I want. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say create an image of let's say a lion riding a motorcycle. Cool. And then what I can do is from here I could actually drag. I've got two image creators here, and then I could also connect this to, let's say, a video, and then create a video based off this image, all from like one prompt essentially, which would be pretty cool. I could connect this to a video, and then I can create a video based off the image and run all of this at once. So I can go from a text prompt for an image and then end up with a video. In this case, I'm just going to leave these two connected, and I'm going to click run all and see what we get. Okay, cool. So as you can see, we've got two images here. I could line up even more of these. So yeah, that's a pretty decent image. And I know Flux is a great model for creating images. That's also another cool one as well. So if you want, you could actually use multiple models to create the same image. And really and truly, there are a lot of inputs you can use and a lot of models you can use as well. So this is a very extensive platform. And if there's anything you need to do around content creation or conducting research that you want to automate, then yeah, this is definitely a platform you want to be familiar with. I definitely recommend you check it out and see just how you can automate any sort of workflow you've got. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to chat to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you will be able to chat to ChatGPT, which is essentially my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world combined with ChatGPT's knowledge. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely like the sort of outputs you get from ChatGPT. Once again, if you want to access that, just send Jay a DM on Instagram and you'll get a response from ChatGPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.